Welcome to Joy Farm. In the global jewelry market, the South Sea Black Pearl stands out for its unique luster and rarity. A single perfect black pearl can be priced up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what technical expertise and effort go behind its creation? Let's dive deep into this mesmerizing world. The video starts with a serene oceanic vista, the home of the black-lipped oysters. Experts here selectively choose the right oysters. Each one undergoes meticulous selection. Only those with good inner shell quality and bright colors make the cut. Next, we're brought into a clean, well-lit workshop. Each artisan's technique is rigorous and delicate. They carefully open the oyster and place a nucleus inside. This requires precision. A slight misstep can not only result in a pearl-less oyster, but could also lead to the oyster's demise. The growth of a pearl requires the right environment. The water quality and food in the cultivation pond can directly affect the pearl's quality and sheen. That's why cultivators invest heavily to ensure the oysters receive the best care. Additionally, measures like electric shocks and net cages are used to protect the oysters from predatory fish. In 2 to 3 years, the pearl nucleus will be wrapped by it, slowly blend into the tissue, and finally grow into a round and plump black pearl. As time flies, 3 years later, these pearls are ready for harvest. But harvesting is just the first step. The pearls then undergo grading and polishing, ultimately being crafted into jewelry. The finest black pearls can fetch astonishing prices, given that only a limited number of high-quality black pearls are produced globally each year. The reason why the price of black pearls is so high is that they are very rare and extremely difficult to breed. Only a limited amount of high-quality black pearls can be produced in the world every year. And its unique color and luxurious atmosphere make it a symbol of extreme luxury. And even the price of a high-quality black pearl can be as high as hundreds of thousands of dollars. From this vast ocean to the hands of the artisans, every black pearl is a meld of nature's wonder and human ingenuity. It's not just a symbol of luxury, but also a tribute to traditional craftsmanship and dedication. If you're moved by the story behind it, please share with friends and together appreciate this natural marvel in human artistry.